keep waiting for you to call. I'm thinking that I'm gonna need a miracle. Wasted again, I tell my friends I'm feeling like you're coming, cause I feel the sun.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, samahan nyo kami sa aming pagpunta dito sa EJ Camp and Playground. So, kung meron kayong mga kids na kasama, mag-e-enjoy sila dito kasi meron silang iba't ibang farm animals, and also meron din silang camping site, and then meron din silang pwede sa pang venue, ganyan. So, yung details guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. Ito guys, yung parking area nila. So, as you can see, malawak. And then, dun naman sa part na yun, makikita yung Luntian Cafe nila. So, mamaya, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng cafe. And then, diretso na tayo dito sa reception area. So, by the way guys, kailangan naka-online reservation na kayo. Ilalagay ko na lang sa yung link sa description box, yung FB page ng EJ Farm. So, ito namang part na to, dito yung camping area or yung accommodation nila. So, meron din kasi silang accommodation and may pool din sila. So, ito, diretso na tayo sa farm. So, ang maganda dito sa EJ Farm, kasama na yung magtutour sa inyo, yung tour guide. So, i-guide na kayo at explain sa inyo yung lugar.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Ano secret naman o? Ginawang malaki na, lalapit na. Hey! Hey! Asa na yung pagkain? Natawag ko siya, wala kang dalang pagkain. Ay, ayaw magpahawak. Kailangan ng pagkain.
I'm trying to live in the moment. We gotta live in the moment. Yeah. Well, we're just wasting time, fighting the inevitable. I can't do this anymore. We're just wasting time. So you better go. So you better go. I'm gonna miss you. Oh, 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 oh. Don't stop for anyone. Don't stop moving your body. Don't stop for anyone. Don't stop moving your body. I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't.
Okay guys, after ng animal encounter, feeding and fishing nila ng mga kids, so eto, magla-lunch na kami dito sa kanilang cafe, itong Luntian Cafe. Napaka-aesthetic guys ng vibe nitong cafe nila. So, mas maganda to guys kapag gabi kasi mas maganda yung pailaw. Tsaka meron din sila ditong live band. So, ang ganda. Sobrang natutuwa ako. Yan guys, nag-order kami ng tofu sisig, ng pansit, tapos silog meals. So, very affordable naman yung kanilang menu dito. So, swak to sa ating mga mommies. Yan guys, meron din silang ATV rides dito na ina-offer. Meron din silang go-kart. So, nag-enjoy din yung mga kids dito guys. So, medyo may problem lang dun sa go-kart kasi medyo maliit kasi yon para sa mga kasama naming bata. Pero overall naman, nag-enjoy naman yung mga bata dito sa aming adventure dito sa EJ Farm. So, yung mga ibang information guys, lalagay ko na lang sa description box.